Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. What follows is my personal experience using Azure Blob Storage. Microsoft Azure Blob Storage provides a scalable and secure solution for storing unstructured data, such as text, binary files, images, audio, and video. Accessible from anywhere in the world via HTTP or HTTPS, Azure Blob Storage is ideal for serving images and documents directly to a browser, storing files for distributed access, streaming video and audio, writing to log files, and providing data for backup and restore, disaster recovery, and archiving. Azure Blob Storage offers 3 different storage tiers to address varying needs in terms of access frequency and cost: hot, cool, and archive. Hot access tier is optimized for storing data that is frequently accessed, while cool access tier is best suited for data that is accessed less often, offering lower storage costs. For long-term data retention with the lowest storage costs, the archive access tier is the most economical option. Data in the archive tier requires rehydration before it can be accessed, incurring retrieval latency. This tiered structure allows you to manage your data lifecycle efficiently, optimizing costs without sacrificing accessibility. Transitioning data between tiers is easily managed according to your evolving needs. Whether you need immediate access to data or long-term, cost-effective archiving, Azure Blob Storage offers a flexible and robust solution. It integrates seamlessly with other Azure services, providing a comprehensive platform for managing and leveraging your data. This integration allows for streamlined workflows and powerful data processing capabilities. Beyond simple storage, Azure Blob Storage provides features such as data encryption at rest and in transit, ensuring data security and compliance. Granular access control mechanisms further enhance security by allowing you to define specific permissions for users and applications. The high availability and durability of Azure Blob Storage ensure data resiliency and business continuity, safeguarding your valuable information. With features like geo-replication, your data can be replicated across multiple regions for redundancy and disaster recovery. This ensures your data remains accessible even in the event of a regional outage. Azure Blob Storage offers a comprehensive and versatile storage solution for a wide range of data management needs, from simple file storage to complex data archiving and analysis.